Hi everyone, my name is Baginda Ramadhani Mufti and I'm from University of Groningen. Today I'm going to present to you about my research finding. My research title is Corporate Social Responsibility Impact on Product Buying Willingness of Firm from a Developing Country in a Developed Countries Market. This case focuses more on the case of Indonesian product in the Netherlands. Moving on next to our background and problem. The negative stereotype of product from developing countries has made it difficult for firms from developing countries to increase buying willingness in developed countries market. Basically, it's hard for firms from developing countries to be able to compete due to negative perceptions and stereotype. However, CSR has been shown can enhance brand image and buying willingness. Thus, this study want to look at the benefits of CSR for firms from Indonesia on gaining brand image and consumer buying willingness in the Netherlands. The research question of this research is what impact has CSR had on the buying willingness of Indonesian product in the Netherlands? This research have these three main aims. The first aim is to examine the impact of CSR on brand image and buying willingness and provide a better understanding of its benefit for businesses. Nowadays, businesses still think that CSR is a burden. It's something hard to do and there's no real benefit for increasing their profit. In this case, we will prove that CSR can do more than that. The second aim of this research is to help companies from developing countries to be able to compete in global market by improving their brand image and brand willingness in developed countries through CSR. The third aim is to be able to inspire further research on the relationship between CSR and international business and encourage effective strategies for businesses on entering developed countries market, of course, using the help of CSR. This research have these three main variables. The first variable is corporate social responsibility, or we can call it CSR, as independent variable. The second variable is brand image as mediator variable. And the third variable is buying willingness acting as dependent variable. This research have four hypotheses. The first hypothesis states that CSR conducted by a firm from a developing country has a positive impact on their product buying willingness in developed countries market. The second hypothesis states that CSR have initiative by a firm from developing country has a positive effect on their brand image. The third hypothesis states that higher developing country firms' brand image has positive impact on product buying willingness in developed countries market. And the last hypothesis, the fourth hypothesis, states that CSR will increase developing countries' firms' brand image that will lead to greater product buying willingness in developed countries market. And with all the three variables and the four hypotheses, we ended up with this conceptual model. As we can see, all the hypotheses states a positive relationship between CSR and buying willingness, directly from CSR to buying willingness, and indirectly through brand image. And to prove all the hypotheses and to test all the hypotheses, we are using this research methodology. This study used an online survey questionnaire to gather data. Participants were randomly assigned to two groups. It is possible for us to separate the groups into two evenly using Qualtrics. One with information about fictional Indonesian brand with CSR activities and the other without CSR activities. The survey measured how exposure to the brand's CSR information affected participants' perception of the brand image and their willingness to buy the product. The survey was distributed to 228 people living in the Netherlands to represent consumers in developed countries. We are using QR code to share it in the Netherlands and using link that shared to many platforms. The data was then analyzed using SPSS. The research performed mediation analysis using highest model for serial mediation to test all the hypotheses. And after we test the hypothesis, we ended up with this result. As we can see, all the hypotheses are significantly supported with this specific effect. CSR on biowillingness are approximately have the effect of 0.6, and CSR on brain image have 2.4, while brain image on biowillingness have 0.7. And lastly, CSR on biowillingness through brain image have the effect of 1.8. The result proved that there is a positive direct effect of CSR conducted by firms from developing countries on their product biowillingness in developed countries' market. The data also proved that there are positive relationship between CSR and brain image. Also, positive effect of brain image to biowillingness. With indirect and mediator effects, what was also proved shows that CSR will increase brain image that will lead to greater product biowillingness. So with higher CSR, it will increase brain image, and with higher brain image, it will lead to higher product biowillingness. In conclusion, the result from a sample of 228 people found a positive relationship between CSR, brain image, and biowillingness. This indicates that CSR effort by a developing country can lead to positive impact on the product biowillingness in developed countries' market. The study provides evidence that CSR can increase brand image and biowillingness, strengthening the link between CSR, brand image, and biowillingness. The findings also can help companies from developing countries to improve their internationalization strategies and compete in the global market, of course, with the help of CSR strategies. Here, as you can see, CSR can really help businesses on, at least from Indonesia to the Netherlands, on gaining biowillingness. And of course, there is still a lot of room to improve in this research, and further research can also have a larger respondents, larger target with bigger data to gain more good data, better data, and in the end, having a better result. And that is all for my presentation. Thank you so much for attention. Bye-bye.